Hello and welcome back to another video in this GIMP series, where today I'll be showing you how to change the colour of an object inside a photo. This video assumes you already have GIMP pre-installed. If not, there will be a card up here somewhere called How to Edit a Green Screen. Give it a click, watch the start of it, it will show you how to install GIMP. Well, now you have GIMP, let's continue. You want to go down to Files, and it should have the photo you want, so you just drag it in, and it's just simple. But if we change the colour of the back of this car without doing anything, so if we go into colour, hue saturation, and say start to change the colour of things, as you can tell it changes the colour of everything, which is not what we want. We don't want to give it a hint of everything. So we're going to press cancel, because we only want to change the colour of the orange. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to click on this, and then we're going to have to click clone. Now we're going to make the second one invisible by clicking on the eye. Now on this top one we want to right click and add an alpha channel. And now we're going to get this lasso, and we're going to slowly click our way round the car. There we go. So just pressing a click will make straight lines. If you press and hold, it lets you go into freeze draw mode. The more points you put in, the more detail it will have, because you're matching it up. If you have to, it's control mouse wheel to zoom in, and it's just space to move about. You may want to zoom in just so you can get a bit closer to it and it will look better. And when it comes to doing this, it's better to have more stuff on the outside that you don't need than things on the inside that you do need. And just keep going around the outer perimeter of this. Won't take too long. And then once you've got it, space again, and the closer you put it to the car, and the longer you spend doing this, the better. I'm not doing it to the most amount of detail, because this is just a demonstration of how to do it. If you're doing this for a project, you would spend much more time making sure you've got every pixel that you want inside it. There we go, and we need to just close this loop here, and then we press enter, and as you can see the car is selected. And now if we press delete, it will delete the inside of the car, which is not what we want to happen. So we have to press Control I and then delete. What Control I does is flip the lasso to lasso everything other than what we selected. Now because you can see it's still selected, we just need to click off, I don't know, make a shape on the outside, and it just deselects everything. Deselects everything. Now you need to go to color, color, and then go to hue saturation, and we want to change the red value because that's the orange in here, and we're going to decrease that. I'm going to maybe lighten it a bit and set it to have a stronger saturation, and there we go, we have a nice red. Might want to change some of the other values, so the white to give it a greeny tint. I don't know, just mess around now with the colours you want. Then once you're happy with it, you press OK. You press on the eye underneath the last vehicle, and voila. We've gone from that to that. Really easily. So, if you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like, maybe even subscribe, and I'll hopefully see you in the next one.